Broulee Mossy Point Dew Care was formed in 1991 when beetle bush was spreading along the coastal areas of the Shire. Barb Roberts was the convener for many years and now, over 20 years later, is still active in the group. Jenny and Rob Edwards are also long-standing supporters, and there are others such as Norma Coates, now nearly 88, who has since retired from active weeding but lends a supporting hand when necessary. The group activity lapsed during the mid-1990s but was revived again in 2004 when works were focused on ways of controlling beach erosion, including fencing of dunes and rationalisation and fencing of access tracks through the dunes. Although B2 is well under control thanks to the work of the Shire and continued maintenance by Broulee Mossy Point Dune Care, it is always surprising where it pops up. Our weeding has expanded into other areas. There is never any shortage of new infestations of noxious and environmental weeds and garden escapes on the large areas of public land in our part of the Shire. Contractors, organised through the Community Support Officer and Council Project Officers, make a significant impact on the war on weeds and make seemingly impossible looking tasks much more manageable. More recently, the group has worked with other local groups such as the Broulee Women's Board Riders and Broulee Public Schools. As well as lots of weed control, we were involved in the rationalisation of access ways onto North Broulee Beach and Bengelow, which commenced with planning in 2004, and then signage, fencing and the Holy Belt path surface was installed with the help of Council using Enviro Fund grants, community fundraising and help from the Broulee Community Association. The work included planting with the help of Broulee Public School. We have participated in Art on the Path with Broulee Mossy Point Community Association to showcase work of local artists and craftspeople and explain environmental issues to the community. We undertook local plantings at South Broulee near the Surf Club, supplemented and improved later on by the Carroll College Landcare Group. We have been helping others too, such as the North Head Camping Ground and Bengelow fencing. We are also involved in environmental education with talks about potential impacts of climate change on our local beaches, with more than 70 participants on coast walks, led by a local ecologist. Activities have included spotlighting in the endangered ecological community coastal Bangalow Sand Forest. Participants were delighted to hear and see yellow-bellied gliders. We have participated in finding more environmentally sustainable solutions to proposed council works in the area, such as the proposed extension of Bayside Street. We worked on the development of a rehabilitation plan with Mossy Point headland residents and neighbours to improve the environment of the headland and protect the EEC Themata grassland on coastal headlands and sea cliffs. Why do we do it? A strong commitment to protection and enhancement of the local environment. We want to provide an example to the community that we care about the environment and try to influence Eurobodalla Shire Council to take environmental issues into account before any works commence. We want to be involved with other community groups in the area. We want to educate the community about the impacts of noxious environmental weeds, preservation and understanding of biodiversity values, and understanding how privileged we are to live in such a special place. We also want to protect and enhance the endangered ecological communities in our area, which include coastal Bangalow Sand Forest, littoral rainforest on Broulee Island and Themata grassland on the headlands.